teacher told me a good way to help with feeling jealous. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so imagine the color of jealousy. So imagine that color. Now put your hand on your heart. Oh. Can you feel how warm your hands are on your heart? Now think of what color your heart is. Take a deep breath in. And imagine your heart filling with your heart color. And blow out the color of jealousy and make a shh sound. So, oh. We'll try it again. So hand on your heart. Nice breath in. Fill up your heart. And blow out the color of jealousy. We'll try it again. Hands on your heart. Nice breath in. And blow out the jealousy. Okay, we'll try that one more time. Okay. Hand on your heart. Nice breath in. And blow out all the jealousy. How do you feel now, Belly?
Oh, you know what? I feel much better.
Oh, good. How about you guys?
Amazing.
You feel amazing.
Better.
Great.
Yeah. Hi, everybody. My name's Belly,
And I'm Whizz.
and we love being visited by our friends here in the woods. They help us with our feelings.
Yeah. So tune in to Minding Me with Belly and Whizz
On RTÉ Jr.
and the RTÉ Player.